Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen East Line Telephone Manufacturer. Here it is one hotel telephone. This is not a normal telephone, although it is a wired telephone, but it has charging function. Here we can charge your mobile phones with different plugs. You can check here. Here is the tail line and the charging plug and this power adapter. Here we can show you. In your hotel, after you put one mobile phone here, you can do the charger. Also, if you have your own cables like this one, put it here. Have two USB ports. We can put here. Here, put it. If you don't have cables, it has support micro B and iPhone plug and Type C. You can find the charging here. Okay. This mobile phone can be used for your mobile phones, and let's come back to this hotel phone. It supports hands-free. Here we can print your hotel name. Here is the ringer LVD. Let me check here. Call. It has the ringer and LED light indicator. It's hands-free. Let me take away the phone. Check here. Hello? 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 Blow the wind. Hello? Hello? This is the hand hold. Pause. It's okay. Let's look at this. Has the 10 one-touch memory speed memory keys. It's numeric keys. This is the double injection. It's now print. This one has been injection mode. Double color keys. Make a call. So I call. Hello? Hello? Blow the wind. Hello? Hello? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make the hold. Here's the handset. Handset talking. It's very clear. For this phone, it's very heavy and with robust plastic casings. This can be used for 4 or 5 stars hotel. If you have any interest in our product, welcome to contact us via email or WhatsApp WeChat. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.